Alright you guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I am out in Boulder for the Boulder Creek Festival, and just wanted to share with you guys a nice little POV perspective with a breakdown of just some photos and my thought process. So as we get started here, I just wanted to head to this bookstore to see what they had in stock and see if I can find just something that can give me some inspiration. And to my surprise, I found just some absolute gems up there that definitely came home with me. This is coming home with me, my first Wintergram book. Bro. Hello.
How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Did you find what you were looking for?
Found better.
Excellent. Man, I love hearing that.
Yeah.
Well, come in and see us again.
Thank you. I appreciate
There's
it.
more where that came from.
Yeah. Thank you guys. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, people of the earth. What a way. Look at this. What a way to start off the day. I'm out in Boulder. Just about to do some street photography, and I decide to look at that, stop by, this infamous bookstore, the only bookstore in the state, and I find these two freaking books. Like, oh my god, I'm beyond hype. I'm gonna go pack these in my car, and I'm just inspired to shoot. I honestly just want to go home now and look at these photos, but I'm inspired. What a find. They had some other books up there too, but I didn't want to end up spending too much money. And yeah, this was just gold. This was amazing to find. So that just gave me so much inspiration. I'm wishing I brought more film. I only brought 2 rolls of film, but of course I got the M11 on me, so I'm just managed with what I got today. Super inspired. Probably gonna stay out all day, see what I can capture. Hopefully the day's good. I'm believing it's gonna be good because I found this. So let's check out these streets. Alright, so as I'm kind of getting started here, I literally see this guy just standing here as I come back from my car, and I just liked his hat. I liked the way he was standing there. I just liked the way kind of the scene looked, and I wanted to just capture something. I mean, I threw it in black and white, but I mean, it is what it is. With that high noon light, I really don't like the way color looks. These are honestly just some warm-up shots as I'm kind of getting ready to head into the event, something just to get me going. And right as I walk in, I see this girl here with this can above her head. Just found that interesting. Anything that I find just kind of unique, I'll always kind of take a snap of. I really like people watching and just observing scenes that I find kind of beautiful. And I found this couple here kind of chilling in the grass, and wanted to snap a photo. Next up, we have these kids playing by the creek. The creek is honestly the main reason I come here. It's beautiful, it's fun, it's amazing to just watch kids and families kind of just play in this lake, around the lake, and just capture just interesting photos. Next up, we have this fine gentleman, and if you follow me on Instagram, you definitely saw me share a story about this guy. He ended up talking to me for 15 minutes straight, just about all kinds of nonsense. But I think the most interesting thing in our conversation is that he took my hand and he put it up against his face, like you see right here. And I mean, it didn't freak me out, but more so kind of just disgusted me. Don't do that. But I just wanted a portrait of the guy because I really liked the staff he had in hand. So at the end of the day, I got the portrait I wanted. Don't let people make you touch them. Again, here in these photos, I'm just trying to find scenes, capture stuff that I can either use for a thumbnail for YouTube or just as a header, whether that be for like a blog or Instagram post, something like that. I really like having kind of establishing shots. Oh, I really wish I got that moment. I just noticed I missed the kid get sprayed in the face with the water. That would have been awesome, but I was a little too slow to the trigger here. This photo I really liked as well. There's another photo I took like it that I missed out on because I was just too slow. This one here, I don't understand what I saw or what I was going for just in the moment as I was taking the photo, but I just wanted to try and get something at the least. All right, so next up here, this couple on the left in the black is really what I was going for. You'll see me kind of do this a lot if you ever walk with me on the streets. I like to try and take portraits, and I gave these people some time to kind of just peruse and browse. Didn't want to bother them, but I did want to kind of just catch them as they're walking, so I ended up walking around and then finally interacting with them, and they said yes to the portrait. But here's that interaction. This looks really nice. You mind if I take your portrait?
What's it for?
I just do my own kind of street photography, just documenting events. If not, it's perfectly fine.
I'm cool with it too.
All right, let's get you guys over here in the shade.
Which side you on?
Right here is fine.
Okay.
Yeah. Awesome. Let me see there. All right, 1, 2. Awesome. Thank you guys so much.
Yeah.
Have a good one. Success. I'm honestly trying to get better at those type of interactions in terms of just being able to approach any given subject and just like start that conversation and kind of end it quickly so I can just get the portrait and move on. It's not always easy. Not everybody always says yes, but that rejection really doesn't bother me or bug me at all. All right, I'm gonna head back to my car real quick to grab my hat, probably take a quick break, find something to eat. I'm gonna be out here all day. All right, so just about here, I ended up taking a quick break and heading back to my car, but ended up coming back out and walked on Pearl Street a little bit just to see if there was anything interesting there. And the street was rather active that day because of the holiday weekend, so it was a good opportunity to find just a handful of photos here and there. This moment right here was just another opportunity that I missed. I really liked the way that lady was standing, but it was just too slow. And again, this is more of me just kind of playing by the river, really just trying to work a scene and find something, find whatever I can, just play around with the composition and subframing or just having things in the foreground or background with this frame. It was a little difficult just because of the distance and I wasn't equipped to get into the water, but it is what it is. This scene right here, I found a couple different scenes. As you'll see here in a second, the kids playing. You saw that girl kind of leaning against the tree. I wanted to get a shot of as well as what's kind of inspiring across this little lake here, or river, whatever you call this, stream. But yeah, just kind of work the scene. And oddly enough, because that man took up 15 minutes of my time, that really did kind of, I feel like, steal away a few opportunities for me, because the activity from then was just really slow. Oftentimes too, as you see these three ladies approaching me in this triangle formation, I try to snap a photo. Wasn't great, but sometimes you nail it. A lot of times you don't nail it. Quick little Dippin' Dots, lunch break, energy boost. It was really hot out that day. A lot of subframing opportunities, I feel like, in this area as well. So that's kind of what I was trying to get at right here. And in my opinion, it's all right, you know? It's just something different to look at, I guess.
What's up, man? How's it going?
How are you?
Hot.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
How long you been out?
I got here like 12:30.
Okay.
Post
Which one?
this morning. Dang it. I found Winogrand and
Oh yeah.
Mayerwood's books
No, I have both of
at
those.
that thing.
They're really good.
Yeah,
Where'd you get them?
at the bookstore, Boulder
no
bookstore. Yeah, I just like stopped there first. I was like, let me check out this store. They have so much stuff up there, dude.
Yeah, Winogrand books don't come around too often.
Yeah. So around this time, I kind of continued just walking around with Josh Bergen here, and things kind of slowed down a little bit. The day was kind of coming to the end, and this event was actually ending early at like 5 o'clock, which is a little bit awkward because there's obviously a ton of sunup still at that time, but I guess they wanted to have everything just kind of close and shut down before the sun goes away. But as you just saw, there's just opportunities I'm trying to find. You look nice. I like your hat. Do you mind if I take a portrait? Okay, you're quick. Awesome. Awesome. Ready? All right. Well, yeah. Thank you so much. You have a good one.
Yeah, you too.
Right here, I really wish I just took the time and got the photo that I wanted. I was being a little wimp and chickened out on that photo opportunity here. Scenes like this are a little too much for me, in my opinion, sometimes. Just for me specifically, because there's so much going on. It's kind of hard to concentrate on the photos. But here in this last moment, it's a portrait I want to take. I really obviously just liked the way this lady was dressed and her hat. So I wanted to just try and get a portrait of it. Again, I think I kind of just I don't slow down enough and really just find the photo that I want, but ended up, you know, taking a picture, taking advantage of the opportunity anyway, and walking away with something that's okay in my books.
Just like this?
Yeah.
All right.
Perfect. All right, ready? Awesome. Yeah, I'll take one more. Yeah. So thank you so much.
You have the prize show with me.
All right, man. I'm right here.
Good to see you.
Yeah, I will catch you later, man.
Till
Yeah,
next time.
yeah. What's coming up next? I don't even know.
So like this weekend, there's the Denver Chalk Art Festival downtown
yeah,
by the
yeah.
museum.
What do you think?
Do you have a wristband?
Do you guys need to check my bag?
I don't. I just have my own.
Hold on just a minute.
See ya.
Rudy and I think another dude.
That's
named
pretty big,
Reed will be
isn't
there
it?
on
Yeah.
Saturday. Yeah, there's tons of
I remember
people.
last year. I was there last year, right?
Oh, were you?
I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then there's like this outdoor festival at the same time at Civic Center Park.
Freak. That's Friday or Saturday?
June 1 and 2, which I think
Okay.
is
That should be good. I have to help my brother move this
Saturday,
weekend.
Sunday. Huh?
Said I have to help my brother move this weekend.
Okay.
Friday, so
Oh, it's Saturday, Sunday.
yeah, I should be good then.
All right,
All right, though, man.
Let us know if you're down there.
Yeah. All
See
right.
ya.
See you, man.